Yeah, he's put on, what did you say, 17, 18?
Yeah, and he'd said that he felt he didn't like his body, it was borderline anorexic, and him and the team decided he was dreaming to be that he would have been a much better classic rider than a climber, and they decided, well, help him put on in a healthier way to become a lot more normal. But yeah, he suffered from a little bit of eating disorder and that kind of pursuit of lightness, and he's now a lot more, he's given up on climbing, and although saying that he's in the polka dot jersey, but I mean,
yeah,
you understand, climbing the Galibier with the top riders, for example, he's giving up on that, but he's a lot more resistant and a much more powerful rider, and he says he's also a much happier rider.
You just said the most critical word.
It's easy to, everyone can do a sacrifice for a year when you're a professional athlete, but it's about doing it for 10 years. And when your body is meant to be a little bit heavier and stronger, it's hard to fight it all the time.
It's important, isn't it? And here's the team radio of Arkea B&B Hotels.
D'après les infos, ça sera compliqué après, jusqu'à Vierzon, de revenir se placer. Donc je vous conseille de rester quand même bien placé dans la bulle hein, devant les gars. Hein. Restez bien placé en tête de peloton. Hein. En deuxième voire troisième rideau, mais redescendez pas au fond de la classe. Hein. Parce que pour remonter, ça sera pratiquement impossible. Surtout qu'au PK 68, on va prendre le vent 3/4 d'eau. Hein.
I'm happy to agree with my prognostics.
Arkea have moved up on our left-hand side, as you can see there, Nico. So just explain to us what's the sports director's worry?
Well, the sports director's worry is, as I mentioned, tail with front, but just be around that first.
And you can see Arkea in this bubble shape of the team rather than one long line. And they've all surrounded their key riders, and they've kept them there in the bubble and make sure they're safe.
Obelix.
Marie Madeleine, built in the 13th century in the town of Villefranche-sur-Cher, near the Berry Canal. So the team of Soudal Quickstep, they went on their ride for the rest day with Remco, and they chose to wear the retro Specialized kit made to celebrate which was a very famous jersey, the jersey which was red and yellow with white. Do you remember that?
Yes, that jersey was actually launched for Unbound.
It was launched when?
At Unbound, the gravel race.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, and but they didn't choose to ride the.
Choose asked.
It was a beautiful jersey.
It is.
Yes.
Do you remember who rode in the team of Specialized in that first ever jersey? It was a very famous jersey. You're too young. Team who wore that over end, all from the United States of America. Very famous jersey, very famous bike, famous team.
200 km tous les jours, c'est la fête, les sourires des enfants, tout. J'ai appris à faire du vélo sur un parking de banlieue à Paris, puis on est parti à Lyon à l'âge de mes 5 ans. Ma première compétition où j'ai gagné à l'âge de 5 ans, et de fil en aiguille, voilà. J'ai progressé chaque année, sans... Voilà, c'était un jeu hein, quand t'es gamin. Mais... Avant de passer pro, j'ai fait 2 ans de PACES, première année commune de médecine à Lyon, donc voilà, c'était assez intense, mais je ne savais pas encore si j'allais passer pro ou pas. Donc voilà, pour assurer mes arrières, je suis parti en Espagne pour faire mes études de kiné. Et mes courses que j'affectionne, voilà, les Ardennaises, des courses comme la Fosse de Ronson, des efforts entre 1 et 5-6 minutes me correspondent. Je suis un coureur assez polyvalent, voilà, je roule assez bien, je suis plutôt moyen partout, mais voilà, j'ai peut-être une petite pointe de vitesse aussi. Au début de l'année, j'ai fait 2e derrière Pogacar au Tour de Catalogne.
Pogacar coming up the right-hand side of the road as we look at it, got on there. It's Pogacar up the middle.
On m'a mis un vélo, mais j'étais frustré quand même. J'attendais vraiment ce moment de gagner un World Tour depuis 1 ou 2 ans, donc je sentais que j'avais le niveau. Et voilà, gagner 2 étapes plus le maillot jaune pendant une journée au Romandie, c'était vraiment un réel bonheur. Donc j'espère réitérer ces performances prochainement.
And Dorian Gordon is just hanging. Here goes the attack.
J'en garde un très bon souvenir. J'étais échappé le 14 juillet. C'était mon premier Tour de France. J'ai fait une fois la Volta avant. Là, j'arrive avec beaucoup plus de caisse, beaucoup plus d'expérience. On a des beaux objectifs, une belle équipe, donc j'espère bien marcher au Tour de France. J'espère avoir des opportunités aussi dans les...
And broke the 2 branches of our clip-ons.
Stevie Williams a bit happy, I'm sure, because he's signed a new contract, hasn't he? Was announced over the rest day.
Yeah. So there are teams who do compete for this GC, Team GC, about it in week 2. Teams who are always on the hunt to be as close as possible to that team leader. Well, by sending riders in the great breakaway, but you needed also a guy in the GC, and hard to go into the Tour and say, okay, we're just specifically going to go for that. A few tricky corners.
And on day 1 of a Mexico and end up spending 2.
Now, guys, we will be behind the fence for a long time.
The right by has Stevie Williams, boy now. Koi glass he's wearing to as he heads up. Marche.
Price, but
Times today flat by Hindley reflecting on this year's tour.